So welcome to Coffee Cozy Up. Today is day 4. Yeah. And I am just getting back from the store. So when I left today, it was nice weather. Came home, there's snow on the ground. Yeah. I'm glad I left at the time I did, because that snow would have probably discouraged me from getting out of the house. But anyway, you know, I needed some stuff. So let me show you what I was able to pick up from the store. And yeah, I'm hungry. So show you what I got for $88. Yeah, so I've got one tomato because I use this on sandwich. I got some kale, banana. I always get this when I'm at ShopRite because I like putting it in my salad. So I got some cheddar and some mozzarella because I'm going to make some pizza. I got strawberry, blueberry. I got some ginger because I'm going to make some juice. And I got some mixed lettuce back over here. You know, gotta have my coconut milk. I bought some peas because I'm going to be making some turkey chili tomorrow. I have Dotigal. Then I had some sauce for the turkey chili. I love this spaghetti sauce. I'm a big fan of this one. I then pick up some shrimp, and then I pick up some salmon. This is the beets. Yeah, I have one head of beets. I haven't used my juicer in so long, so I'm looking forward to using it. I got some goat cheese over here. I think I showed you guys. This is really good on some crackers that I have. Snack on. Of course, the carrot for the beet juice. I have one cucumber. I love grapefruit, so I have about 4 of these, and some cauliflower. And that's the $88, guys. Lord. And the fruits is not gonna last me but a few days. But I buy fruits every week because, you know, it's not gonna last if you buy too much. I don't like my banana overripe, so I usually get them like this because within 2 days it's gonna be super ripe, and if it's too ripe I won't eat it. And yeah, so that is it. So I finished the book, and Mr. Akbar, why you so initially I thought this was just a very dark story. It just comes off very sad and dark. It really is a family story, a family saga. That's the best way to put it. Family drama. It lessens the harshness of it being dark, because I just was like, oh my god, it just, the morbid talk of death and life it was a bit too much for me in the beginning. Nevertheless, when it got to like the last, you know, couple of I cannot even say it because I don't want to ruin for anybody, but a little secret that I felt like why he had to do the mama like that. Like, why did that got to be the mama story? And then there was just like the reason behind it. Yeah. So this is a story about this man, and his mom died, you know, when he was so he doesn't remember his mother, pretty much. His father kind of never got over it, had this sadness about him. So he gravitated to things he shouldn't. Addiction. And so he's sober, but he's still struggling. And he has this thing where he wants to go out with a bang. He wants to go out where his life had a meaning. So he wants to write. And he's considered a poet, but he doesn't look at himself that way. And he's following the story of this woman that is dying from cancer. She decided to make her last days like an exhibition in this gallery. And so he decided he's going to follow. He's going to go there. He's going to get to know this woman and find out why she doing what she doing. Maybe he gets some kind of inspiration from it. And so there's that connection that they have, and there's something about her that intrigue him. So there's bits of this where you are getting the father's story. You're getting what happened and the case of what, his mom's tragedy and how everything panned out. His father did pass, but how their relationship were and all that. But then when they disclosed some of the secrets in the end, I was like, what? I was like, what? Don't just go that book. Like, what? Are we serious? That's the face I had. And then it was just like, and in the end, it was just like, there's this relationship he's in, and how he treat that individual, and then he realized he need that individual, and it was just like, and then I'm still scratching my head on this ending. I'm still scratching my head on this ending. I would say though, the writing is good, because there's a lot of quotable moments in this. I cannot forgive this man for that ending of his mom storyline. All right. So this one, yeah, we're gonna get past that one. A Kind of Madness. All right, Uche. Yeah, I'm gonna butcher the last name. So Uche wrote the short story collection. Now, I just like the fact that it's called My Kind of Madness, because I'm just ready for that. But it's an African author, so I just know the shenanigans are going to be there. And it's only 2 stories in. The first one is the Belgium. The ending is like, life goes on. It's one of those marriage of convenience that you're looking for, and it depends out like you want. You paint it as being crazy family, but that's just to cover up another secret. That's the gist of that one. The second one was a little sad. It was a little bit sad. It was just this kid, and he's clinging on to this particular family member, and this family member is going through it, childbirth, all that. Not child, but having issues with having a kid, and he's going through the attachment and feeling that she doesn't want him, and she doesn't feel that bond that he has with her. And there's something that happened at the end, and he's just kind of like, so both story gives life goes on. That's the story you're getting from these 2 so far. So I'm going to continue. I think it's one of those I think I can read in between other story, because it's not giving me heavy. I do want to pick up back. I had started was going to read this Caribbean story, and I read like 2 pages, and I'm going back to that because I want to read some more Christmas themed books. But y'all read this, let me know how y'all feel about that little plot twist. Let me know. All right, so last night I decided, let's see if I can pump out one more bag. Bad idea. I pumped the bag out, but I jacked up the stitch. The stitch line is a bit jacked up. So that's why I say, you know what, I'm gonna give this one to my niece, only because I'm gonna bling it out. I have a bunch of these pins. So this is the one that I use. This is I call it my demo, because it's some stuff about this, like I didn't do any top stitch, so you see all the bumps. But I love this. I rock this all the time, and I love the pins. These are the 80s theme pins. So I'm gonna put a bunch of pins on this one for her, and I think it's gonna kind of camouflage any of the stitch on the top, because I don't really want to let it go to waste, because that's the only issue. None of them are sewed inside yet. I'm waiting till I'm done all. But I like the theme inside. Is the car theme. So I think it's just going to be fun to put some 80s theme buttons on this pins on all over this and give her that one. The other ones I finished did good. So this one is the green one. I just love how the zipper is making it just really go well with this. And so that's one. And then inside is even louder. Don't know who's getting this one yet. Then this one is very neutral. This is for a guy, and he's, you know, he's been asking, so I got this one done, and this one came out really good with the top stitch, and it's all neutral, like the black clips and stuff though. And inside is blue because, you know, it's for a guy, so I figured I put blue inside. And this one has travel theme inside. There's planes, says destination and all of that. I just think this is very neutral for a guy, very neutral. And then I have this one, which was the checker print one, and this one also came out really nice. And I decided to use this because I'm running out of black straps, and it actually came out really nice. And it kind of made the things look silver, even though this is not silver, it's a black brass. But for some reason, I don't know if it's coming up on camera, but on this it's giving silver with the straps, and I think this is really nice. I really like this one. This one is giving me like, I will wear the heck out of this right now. I feel like I don't want keep any more because I have a bit, and there's one particular one I want to hack, so I'm gonna do some hacking. So I love the pattern, but I want to change it up for me because I'm wearing the same, I feel like I'm wearing the same bag. But I'm gonna hack it, and I'm gonna change the design a little bit. I'm also going to add some pocket. So I'm gonna do a bunch of hack to it. If it comes out right, then I'll just make some more and give people, you know. But I also have the loud in the middle lining, and again, I love this one. This one came out really good. The top stitch was really nice, and it takes away all the lumpy that was going on in the other one. But the top stitch is something you got to take your time doing, because, you know, you mess up a little bit, it kind of throws it off, and I was not. And these first ones that I made for myself, none of them had top stitch. My favorite one wasn't perfect, but this is the one I really love. So this is for a particular friend of mine who is obsessed with red, and so I knew she would like this. I love that the strap, and I just love this color zip, and it's just like really nice with this. And it's just the black, the contrast with the buckle and the zipper. And then inside, she getting a treat. I know she's gonna appreciate this. I don't think she watched my channel. But look at inside. She's gonna definitely love these African things going on inside. She's going to love this, I know. And I just thought it was just perfect. So I hope she appreciates the work I put into this one. And I was like, this I would do for myself. I really think I'm going to make another one, because I do have more fabric, but then I feel like everybody has, all the bags have something different about them. None of the bags from outside looks exactly the same, and that's what I like. I try to switch up the buckles, the zipper color, all that, so that everybody has something different. This is absolutely different. It is the only one that's super red. The other two that I'm working on, they're burgundy, they're not red. Because I really didn't think anybody would want something this fiery red, but I like this fiery red. And so I'm looking forward to her, if she likes it. Hopefully she does, because she wanted one and she likes the red. Alright, so that is it for today. I'm going to get to edit this video I need to work on a blog post. I did not end my November blog post on my blog, so I need to work on that so I can post it by the end of the week. And I need to take some pictures. Yeah, I didn't do my videos for all the things I made either. This is one of the what I made, this turtleneck, which is like a basic top. I didn't do a video clip of all the stuff that I made. So yeah, I didn't get to pick up my stuff, so the haul will be tomorrow. I'll show you what I got for the Black Friday sale. It's mostly art stuff, craft stuff. It's not a lot. I really didn't do that much because I did get a new computer. You guys remember that? And as far as the computer, so Miss Mad World, it is a little faster, but I'm still having issues with the internet. It literally, yesterday video took a very long time to upload, but the day 1 and day 2 video, I didn't have that issue. It was much quicker. So it's still giving me issue with longer video, which is why I try to not make it over 30 minutes. But there are going to be times where the video is going to be over 30 minutes. Like yesterday was over 30 minutes. I don't know what today definitely won't be over 30 minutes. Today's definitely much shorter. So yeah, we're gonna end this here so that it don't come longer than that. But anyway, I will see you guys in the tomorrow. Yeah, come back. All right guys, let me know what you think about the bag so far. I love the feedback I got from yesterday's video so far. They're coming in. Thank you. And yeah, and I'm going to start working on my junk journal after I finish these 2 bags, and then one day this week I'm gonna sit down and do the stitching inside the bags. I'm just gonna sit down and just take care of them. But I need to do that too, and then we're gonna get back to this. I'm trying to think Christmas story. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do tonight. Yeah, still early guys, still early. This weather makes me feel like it's later than what it is, but it's not. But I'm not gonna mumble anymore. So thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.